Alright guys, so finally we just arrived here in this brand new ship and brand new crew cabin here in Norwegian Viva. So this is the latest and brand new ship of Norwegian Cruise Line. We are still here in the shipyard where the actually ship was made here in Venice, Italy. And the ship is still ongoing on the process of preparing for the first revenue cruise in less than 30 days. So this is going to be a very hectic and very busy days for us. I will be in charge of that, and having a nice accommodation after this long hour of work is very helpful. So later I'm gonna show you how it looks like our accommodation here. But actually, if you haven't seen the other video that I have, the crew cabin in the Norwegian Prima, so I'm gonna put here or somewhere in the video or in the description, so you can check that one. It looks exactly the same, even the color, the design, the furniture, nothing much different from that. I'm gonna do a quick tour again how it looks like here in Norwegian Viva. Welcome to this channel. If you are new here, my name is Francis. I am a full-time cruise ship photographer here in Norwegian Cruise Line, and you can also find me on my website at www.francisalmores.com. So right now, this is my luggage for the next 4 months, and I think I'm going to start to unpack some of my things and get ready for work this afternoon.
Okay, so actually katatapos lang ng duty this afternoon, and as you guys can see, my uniform, I wearing coverall. So that is my uniform for the next couple of days, maybe weeks. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a quick tour how it looks like the crew cabin here in Norwegian Viva. Yeah, let's start. So it has a keycard slot right there. It has this temperature control digital, so I can just bump up this one or make it cooler. Then on the other side, so there's this like a shoe area that I can put all my shoes. Then so this is going to be my working shoes for the next couple of days, and I have these 2 pairs of shoes. Then on this area, this the desk, and there's the mirror right there, and some of my stuff that I already packed. Then yeah, whatever. The nice thing about this is it has already some USB slot here, like for charging some extra lights as well. Then it has this nice chair. So on this side, this is a sofa bed. So this thing can turn into a extra bed. This sofa is can turn into bed. Then in front of that is nice wardrobe, and I can put a lot of stuff there, all my uniforms. Then yeah, some clothes, some racks where I put my underwear and some socks, uniforms, then some vest here. Then on this side it has this nice cabinet, so extra shelves as well to put some of my stuff. Then at the bottom it has this mini fridge. So yeah, that's my food. And another cabinet here where I put my bottled water. So as you guys can hear, those are emergency alarm. So that it's been testing this afternoon. Okay, so let's continue that. On this side, I have this lamp desk. So yeah, this, and it has this nice LED lights here at the board head. Now this bed is, I think, is a queen size bed. In front of that it has this 41-inch television, which is right now is not ready because we have only a few crew members on board. So once all the crew members are on board here, I think that TV and those program will be ready now. And it has this nice porthole here. So as you guys can see, if we are going to open this porthole, actually nothing much to see here because this is just a shipyard. So yeah, this is the shipyard here in Italy. Okay, so now last but not the least, I'm going to show you the toilet. So this, the toilet, as you guys can see, is totally brand new. No one has been used it. This, except me. So this is the toilet, the sink, and it has this nice cabinet here as well. I already put some of my stuff. Okay, so that's the quick tour of my crew cabin here in Norwegian Viva. And right now, since my duty is done for the day, so I'm planning to go outside and go to the supermarket and buy some snacks and some, you know, drinks to have some food here inside my room. So come join with me.